just wanted you to see what I just got in the mail. Matter of fact, UPS just dropped it off. It's a Nutri blender, a Smart Touch. I thought we'd just open it up together. I don't know if I'm supposed to say the brand, but you can see for yourself. I don't know if I could get in trouble for that, but anyhow, just let you see. And it did come from Amazon. So, got a healthy recipe book, instruction manual. Oh, warranty, activate your warranty now. Yeah, I'll do that. Set that aside. Let's see what all's in here. Got a lid here. It goes one of these. Wow, this thing's huge. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Neat. I'll clean all that up with some hot soapy water. Gotta familiarize myself with everything and how it works. Let everything in the sink until I can get all of this out. Alrighty. There's nothing else in there. So, set that aside. Actual blender itself. Take that off of the LED screen. A nice heavy cord on it. It's a 1200 watt. So it's a pretty strong. So yeah, look at that pretty screen. And it's got these suction cups. Do you hear that? It really stays in place. Look at that. Wow. So I don't think we'll have a problem with it tipping over. And here's the actual blender. See? Pretty cool. The blades, rather. Yeah. Pretty neat. So once I familiarize myself with everything and how everything works properly, then I will be mixing us up a smoothie. Yeah. All right. Thank you for watching.